Hey guys, thank you for stopping by watching the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing Xbox Media Remote, because if you've seen the previous video before this, I unboxed an Xbox One S, which was my first console, because I'm a PC gamer and I never really mess with consoles, but I bought me a Xbox One S, so I decided to get one of these Xbox One media remotes. You guys can see in this one is different from the other versions, because there's another version of this, but it's really small. This is twice the size of that, so that's why I got this specific one, because it has more media controls on it. So I decided to pick it up because I might as well watch all of my Blu-ray movies and all that good stuff, since I got the Xbox One now. So turn it into a media center, you know. So let me break the seal on this here so we can... Ooh, this is dangerous. We can take a look at this bad boy. Come on. There we go. Slide this bad boy right out of there like that. And first thing you see that pops up is the old trusty instructions manual. Oh, thank you for a huge instruction manual on how to use a remote. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Okay? And it's basically showing you how to install the batteries. You take the back off, install the batteries. That's basically all that information is on that huge piece of paper, but it's in like 20 languages. Okay, now on to the main event. There it is. But let's not forget, included, free batteries. Yeah. I don't even know what kind of batteries these are. There's the brand. Well, I know what kind of batteries they are, but I don't know where they got these from. Probably China, I'm guessing, because I've never even heard of this brand before, so I'm guessing it's from China. Okay, I'll get that out of there. All right, now open the remote up. Let's look at these controls here. There we go. You guys can see that. Let me get some light on it. There we go. You look at that bad boy. And your main Xbox button up here. Menu button. Yeah. Play, pause, record, stop. All of this good stuff. And you have the controller buttons, X, Y, you know, there. There you go. And a shot here. Volume, channels, mute, all that good stuff. So if you get the smaller version, you won't get most of this on here. But since I got this, the better version, in my opinion, I got all the buttons on here. And then it shows you the back of this here. I like this design. It's pretty cool. And then there's a little arrow right here. You push that, and then you can take it off and change your battery. And there's how the battery sits, one after the other right here, back to back here. Okay, so that's how that is. And this is just a quick unboxing of it. In this video, I'm not going to be using it. So this is just a quick unboxing to make it a real quick short video. Okay, when I have the Xbox One set up, then I'll go through everything, show you guys how I use it. But for right now, this is just an unboxing. So sorry guys, this is just an unboxing. Don't get mad at me. Alright, Thank you guys for watching. Hope it helps you make a decision in the future. Bye-bye.